Well, hello there, and welcome to day 11 of my 100 days of daily practice project. So, as you can see, I'm still utilizing these stencils to put my day of the week because I like them, they're fun. So that's what's going on here, and today I decided that I was gonna use the Hemi gouache, and when I was preparing the Hemi gouache for today, I was having an issue with the dark brown, so I decided to feature the dark brown in my composition. And then I thought, well, I've always liked the brown and turquoise combination, so that's what I decided to do. So here I'm just showing you the Hemi gouache. And I'm using this little circle maker that I got. I'll try to put a link in my affiliate link in the description below because it's actually really cool, because I was looking at buying a circle maker and you know they're kind of expensive, between $5 and $10, you know, which I think is a lot for stencil, so I hadn't pulled the trigger. But then I actually saw this one on another YouTuber's videos, and it was less than $5, and I really enjoy it. I use it like almost every day, and yeah, I recommend it. I will put my link in there. So I'm using the Hemi gouache, and I thought, why am I being a gouache snob, right? So in this palette, I like to fast test all of my art supplies just so I know for myself, and so I can tell you the only color in this palette that's not light fast is that purple in the top left corner. So anyway, it doesn't matter because I'm using it in my watercolor journal. It's not really going to see a lot of sunlight, definitely no direct light, but still. So I think I will go through one of this. I got the 50, the Maya jelly gouache with 50 colors from my granddaughter. I think it's got 50. Anyway, I think I'll replace that purple with the light fast color out of the big Hemi gouache palette. So this is sped up 8 times as fast. You know, I'm just working on my consistency with the gouache, you know, getting it the right consistency. And I'm currently just in love with gouache, although I did today, just came here, right before I started filming this voiceover, my mango oil pastels that are water soluble. So I'm going to try those tomorrow. Well, I'll probably try them after I get this video uploaded, but I'll use them in tomorrow's sketch, I think. And so yeah, still working on my faces. So it seems like it's going a lot easier with the Maya Hemi gouache. I'm working here with 24 colors, so I think that's better. And yeah, I never use the greens though. I prefer to mix my greens, so I don't really ever feel like I ever need a palette with green on it, really. And if I do have green on it, it's going to be phthalo green or BG36, the emerald or bamboo green, which is phthalo green but the yellow shade. And I'll mix my own greens, but mostly I just like the green that's mixed with blue and yellow, or blue and orangish yellow, or blue and orange if I want a olivey green. I just prefer mixing my greens. So all my palettes have lots of green, and that was the biggest thing with the Inktense, the Derwent Inktense, the big set that I got. It had just, for me, too many greens. I'm never gonna probably I use a couple greens, that's it. And I don't know why they gotta I don't know what kind of that. I don't know why they put that many greens in it. But anyway, not to bore you. So here you can see I'm just finishing it up by putting in the background. And this is day 11 of my 100 days, and I feel like I passed the 10% mark. So far I've done a video a day for the last 11 days, so that's cool. And we'll see if I make it to 100. Anyway, as always, if you've like anything, please support my art by liking, subscribing, following, you know, all those things you do on the internet, etc., etc., etc. Cost you nothing, but they mean a lot on the internet. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.